Tech giant Oppo is launching its latest smartwatch, Oppo Watch X2. The smartwatch has OLED touchscreen display. What's up friends? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The Oppo Watch X2 will feature a titanium bezel with at least 3 colors options with matching straps. The Oppo Watch X2 is coming with a support for hypertension risk reminder function and various other health and sports monitoring. There will be around 648 mAh battery pack. There is an eSIM support option. Other features are GPS, NFC, and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. There will be 5 ATM. It will be available for buy on stores and online. This is the best watch from Oppo. That's all for now and thanks for watching.